Hello, students. I, Manisha Sinha, welcome you again to the new presentation made by me for class 5. Today, we will going to discuss chapter 8, part 1, Microsoft Excel 2016. Students, today we will see the definition of Microsoft Excel, what it is. Microsoft Excel is a popular spreadsheet component of Microsoft Office suite that allows you to store, organize, calculate, and manipulate the available data. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculations. The data is spread in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. It provides inbuilt feature and tools such as formulae, functions, and data analysis tools that make it easier to work with large amount of data. So let me show you how Microsoft Excel look like. Today, here I'm sharing my screen with you. Here it is. This is the example of Microsoft Excel. When we open MS Excel, you can see by default its name is Book 1. You can see Book 1 and you can see the spreadsheet is divided into rows and columns. The intersection of rows and column is known as cell. Each column is represented by cell column heading and row by number. Here, to add another sheet, we will click on the sheet tab below over here on the sheet button over here. And here you can see we add a new sheet over here naming sheet 2. By default, sheet name is sheet 1 and sheet 2. So thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy.